What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a quick video here on the Jaguar F-Type. So as you can probably tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be replacing the incandescent bulbs in the footwell of this car with these LEDs here. I'll go ahead and link this down in the description below. I bought these off Amazon and I'll go ahead and show you actually what those look like. But essentially they're the old school kind of halogen or incandescent bulbs. It's a little bit tough to see in the daytime, but it lives right under there. I'll show you guys the steps involved to go ahead and replace that, and it'll go ahead and match the LED kind of dome light up there. So with that being said, let's go ahead and unbox these things and I'll show you what they look like. So inside the box here, you'll go ahead and see the actual LED lights here. There's quite a few of them because this is kind of a general application for all cars. So you can see that I think there's like 10 of those in this little bag here. And I guess this is like a trim removal tool or something that they give you to help pry, you know, some plastic pieces apart. But we won't be needing that in this video. I'll go ahead and show you guys how to install those now. First step is, I believe, we go ahead and open the door, obviously, and crawl under there. I would recommend moving your driver's seat back all the way. Mine is pretty much all the way against the firewall here, but you're going to want to locate the actual bulb here, and it's a little bit tough with the camera, but as you can see, it lives right there, and I believe you can just kind of get your hand under. It is very hot, but you can pull it out like so and it'll kind of fall on the floor. The next step is to grab one of the LED bulbs out of the package and take a quick look at it. I believe these only go in one way, so basically you can see this is the bulb, if you will, and you're going to want to stick it back into that holder just like you saw the old one. I believe these only go in one way, so if you can press it in and see if it doesn't work, then you can pull it out and kind of rotate it like so and press it up to see if it works that way. Okay, so that actually took a lot longer than expected. You can see some of my sweat marks and stuff because it was boiling hot, but I'll give you guys a better look at what it looks like back in there. I did kind of have to mess with it a little bit, but you can see how it kind of rests back in the original source of power there. So once you have it in there, obviously you'll be good to go. It does look a lot better under here. It is a little bit tough to see in the daytime. In the passenger footwell, you can see it's in a similar location. I'll see if I can stick the phone up there. It's actually right there. It's kind of blocked by the glove box a little bit, so I'll see if I can kind of get my finger in there and pull straight down like I did with the driver's seat. All right, so I got the old one out. You can see my sweat. It is so hot out here, but this thing was boiling hot as well. So make sure you either get like a glove or like a rag or something, especially if you've been working and the door's been open. This thing will heat up, so make sure you take a little bit of caution when you're pulling that bulb out. Next step is to just grab another bulb and follow the same procedure that you did for the driver's side. It is a little bit tougher under there because the glove box actually gets in the way a little bit. It's very tough to see, but you kind of have to move around a little piece of plastic in there. So I'm going to try and do that off camera because it's nearly impossible to show you guys, but I'll update you guys with the finished product here. All right, guys, I got it. You can tell that I am completely out of breath because I was bent over backwards. You're going to have to move a little bit of plastic around. It's very, very tight in there, and I'm showing it the best I can with the camera. So just take extra caution down there. And like I said, the old bulb will be pretty hot, so be careful with that as well. Also, guys, one thing I actually forgot to mention is that you can use these LEDs for the puddle lights as well. It's a little bit tough to get this out, but you can actually just pull it with your hand like so. And as you can see, it is the same kind of incandescent bulb right there. So I'm going to go ahead and pop one of the new LEDs in. But overall, guys, that wraps up this quick little install video. It is DIY, but you will have to kind of bend and twist yourself a little bit to fit into that footwell. But nonetheless, it is relatively easy if you're able to do that. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please be sure to drop a like and subscribe for a ton of cool content coming very soon. And I'll catch you in the next one.